What happens to your body if you drink lavender tea every day? Did you know that lavender, a versatile herb, is closely related to mint? Both are members of the Lamiaceae family, which also includes potent plants like basil, thyme, sage, and more. Lavender has been cherished throughout history for its diverse applications. The ancient Egyptians were already aware of the charms of lavender, using its oil in the embalming process. The Greeks harnessed its medicinal benefits to alleviate headaches, gastritis, and throat irritations. Similarly, the Romans, known for their vast dissemination of knowledge, spread the uses of lavender across their empire, highlighting its significance in various cultures. Beyond its captivating fragrance, lavender has a long history as a home remedy. Make sure to watch until the end to explore some of these secrets of lavender tea and its myriad benefits. Known scientifically as Lavandula angustifolia, lavender stands out as a medicinal plant widely used in treating conditions such as anxiety, depression, digestive problems, and even insect bites. Its relaxing, calming, antispasmodic, analgesic, and antidepressant properties make it versatile and beneficial for various purposes. While these benefits are grounded in traditional use and some scientific studies, it's fascinating to see how a simple cup of lavender tea can potentially offer a natural remedy for various ailments. It is commonly used in preparing calming teas and relaxing baths, and its essential oil is a popular choice for aromatherapy and skincare applications. You can find lavender at natural product stores, compounding pharmacies, and sometimes even at local markets or street fairs. Now that you have learned more about this incredible herb, stay with us to discover 6 compelling reasons to include lavender tea in your daily wellness routine. Additionally, at the end of this video, we will share not only the correct way to prepare the tea, but also introduce you to a special juice recipe that is simple, delicious, and full of nutrients. 1. Good for anxiety, depression, and sleep. Having trouble sleeping or relaxing? Lavender might be the natural solution you're looking for. Studies suggest that lavender's components can activate specific brain areas, enhancing mood and creating a sense of calm. This effect is attributed to its influence on the transmission of impulses between brain cells, resulting in both mood improvement and a relaxing sensation. Due to its anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing, and antidepressant properties, lavender can be a beneficial addition to managing symptoms of depression and anxiety. This herb aids in body relaxation, fostering a sense of calm and contributing to better sleep quality. However, it's crucial to emphasize that while lavender can support these treatments, it should not replace prescribed medical treatments. Always use lavender as a complementary therapy in conjunction with the guidance and approval of a healthcare professional, especially when combined with medications. This cautious approach ensures that lavender's use is both safe and effective in your wellness journey. 2. Stabilize heart rate. Lavender may contribute to stabilizing heart rate due to its relaxing and calming properties. Research indicates that lavender's components can positively affect certain brain areas, fostering a sense of calm and relaxation. By affecting the transmission of impulses between brain cells, lavender can help reduce anxiety and stress, which, if excessive, may adversely affect heart rate. The relaxation promoted by lavender can contribute to a more balanced state of the cardiovascular system. While lavender may offer benefits for emotional and mental well-being, it is essential to highlight that specific cardiac conditions require guidance and monitoring by healthcare professionals. 3. May relieve menstrual cramps and aid in combating vaginal infections. For many women experiencing cramps in the lower abdomen before or during their menstrual cycle, lavender can offer natural relief. A notable study involving 200 young adult women demonstrated that inhaling the aroma of lavender tea for 30 minutes daily during the first 3 days of the menstrual cycle significantly reduced cramp intensity. With its powerful antiseptic and bactericidal properties, lavender emerges as a valuable ally in the fight against vaginal infections. Incorporating lavender tea in sitz baths can be beneficial in maintaining women's health, offering protection against certain types of discharges and infections. 4. May improve skin health and be used in treating canker sores. Lavender is renowned for its beneficial impact on skin health, particularly in treating wounds, acne, allergies, and even canker sores. Its components are crucial in combating bacteria and infections, thereby promoting quick skin recovery. Notably, lavender has been observed to aid in the healing of wounds, including open ones. Dermatologists and herbalists often recommend a compress of lavender tea as an effective remedy for accelerating the healing of lesions. Thanks to its healing, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties, lavender not only stimulates the healing of canker sores, but also effectively reduces pain, inflammation, irritation, and even the size of these oral lesions. Before we delve into the final 3 benefits of lavender, we'd love your support. If you're finding this content helpful, please give a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest exclusive videos. Your engagement helps us bring more insightful content like this. Number 5. Relieves migraine pain. Lavender, known for its analgesic properties, emerges as a helpful ally in combating migraines and headaches. It provides relief from symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and light sensitivity, making it effective in alleviating acute migraine attacks. However, it's important to note that lavender should not be used as a preventive treatment for migraines, as in some cases, it may inadvertently trigger an episode. Individuals with frequent or severe migraines should consult healthcare professionals for a comprehensive treatment plan. 6. Reduces blood pressure. The plant is also associated with benefits for blood pressure due to its relaxing and calming properties. Inhaling its scent through essential oils, tea, or other lavender-infused products can positively influence the nervous system. This can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety, factors often linked to blood pressure imbalances. Furthermore, some studies suggest that the compounds found in lavender may have vasodilatory effects, meaning they can help dilate blood vessels, promoting smoother blood flow and reducing pressure in the arteries. How can lavender be used? Lavender, known for its versatility, finds a delightful application in the culinary world. Its flowers, leaves, and stems are incorporated into various dishes, particularly enhancing sweet recipes such as desserts and cakes. Lavender adds a distinct flavor and aroma to these preparations, making it a unique ingredient. For an adventurous twist in your kitchen, try incorporating lavender into your syrups or use it as a decorative element on your dishes. Remember to use culinary-grade lavender, as it's specifically prepared for consumption. Start with a small amount, as its flavor is quite potent, and increase according to your taste preference. This way, you can safely and creatively explore the aromatic world of lavender in cooking. In medicinal applications, lavender is popularly used in teas, infusions, and essential oils. Lavender essential oil or tea can be used in various ways. The application of compresses with lavender essential oil is really versatile and can offer several benefits. To prepare a lavender oil compress, heat water to a comfortable temperature for the skin and add a few drops of lavender essential oil. This solution can be used for soothing skin irritations, reducing inflammation, or simply for relaxation. If you're suffering from a headache, try a lavender essential oil compress for relief. Soak a towel or gauze in a solution of water and a safe concentration of lavender essential oil, wring out the excess, and apply it to your forehead and temples. Keep it in place for a few minutes, re-moistening it as necessary. For menstrual cramp relief, apply the same lavender oil-soaked towel or gauze to the lower abdomen area. Leave it there for a few minutes, keeping it moist as needed. Moreover, cold compresses are great for burned skin or bruises. Take a clean cloth, wet it, and place it on the affected area. For those seeking to relax both body and mind, a lavender-infused bath offers an excellent solution. The hot water enhances the calming properties of the plant, helping to relieve anxiety, stress, muscle tension, and even sleep disorders. As mentioned earlier, a sitz bath with lavender is also effective for vaginal infections. To create this relaxing moment, simply add 100 grams of lavender flowers or 6 to 10 drops of high-quality lavender essential oil to your bathwater. This way, you enjoy not only the invigorating sensation of the water, but also the aromatic and therapeutic benefits of lavender. And if you want the feeling of tranquility and relaxation through aromatherapy, Just add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil to the water in your diffuser and leave it on for as long as you wish. How to prepare lavender tea. Preparing lavender tea is delightfully simple. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup, 250 milliliters of hot water, 1-2 teaspoons of loose culinary grade lavender buds. Optional: sweeteners like sugar, honey, or maple syrup. Preparation: simply pour 1 cup, 250 milliliters of hot water over 1-2 teaspoons of loose lavender buds. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you prefer your tea. But what's already great can become even more incredible. How about elevating this delightful tea by combining it with the tangy richness of vitamin C-rich lemonade? Begin by heating half a liter of water until it reaches a boil. Then, add 3 tablespoons of culinary-grade lavender and 1 tablespoon of honey. Allow this mixture to infuse for 15 to 20 minutes, then give it another 10 minutes to rest before straining. Next, combine the infused water with half a liter of cold water. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons and reserve the peel of 1. Stir the honey lavender infusion into the lemon juice. Add the pieces of lemon peel to the pitcher for an extra zest. Finally, enhance the refreshment with 4 ice cubes. What are the potential risks and side effects of consuming lavender? While lavender tea is associated with numerous benefits, it's crucial to consume it in moderation to avoid potential side effects. The most common side effect observed is drowsiness, which is a result of the plant's relaxing and calming properties, and typically occurs only with excessive intake. In cases of high consumption, lavender can lead to more serious effects such as constipation, contact dermatitis, mental confusion, and the presence of blood in urine. Lavender is not suitable for children under 12 years old, people with gastritis or gastric ulcers. Its use is also not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Due to its sedative properties, which can cause drowsiness, it is inadvisable to consume lavender while driving or operating heavy machinery. Furthermore, lavender should not be ingested in combination with medications or substances that depress the central nervous system, such as alcohol, drugs, or hypnotic and anxiolytic medications, as it can intensify their effects. Before incorporating lavender into your routine, especially if you fall into any of these categories or are on medication, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. This precaution ensures that you can safely enjoy the benefits of lavender without adverse effects. Now, we would love to know, which of these lavender tea benefits surprised you the most? Have you tried it and felt the difference? Leave your thoughts and comments below. If you want to stay informed about health and wellness, subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications bell to stay updated with our latest content. Before you go, don't miss out on even more fascinating insights. We have 2 recommended videos popping up on your screen right now, each packed with interesting information that you'll surely enjoy. Click to continue your journey of discovery with us. See you in the next video. Bye.